Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to Legacy of Killian. In this video I want to go over a short trade that we just took on Eurojpy. It's playing out perfectly at the moment, it's playing out beautifully, but we also had a perfect entry, and this is why I called out Eurojpy to all of you in my premium group, and how I will continue managing this trade. So check this out. So first of all, you can see that I also left all the trades open that we previously took on Eurojpy. You can see that we got around a 4% winner here, another 4% winner here, and another 4% winner here. So that already is a total of around roughly 900 pips that we are swing trading Eurojpy the whole time and hitting our ultimate targets number 3. Now, at this moment, we can see that Eurojpy is behaving and moving between this channel right here. And honestly, in my own opinion, if price is behaving within the channel, it's the most easiest to trade with, because in a channel, obviously you want to sell from the highest points in the channel and you want to buy from the lowest points in the channel. So once that you can identify that, okay, we are behaving within the channel, then this is the only thing that you need to do, and you will get or make money doing this the whole time. Now, I have to say that we did have right there a fake out. Sometimes it does happen, so you could have considered this a breakout and then try to catch that buy, but it was a fake out. But now that this already happened, we don't really need to worry that it's going to happen again. So about the position that we are currently in on Eurojpy, we can see right here that the first confirmation that we had on this trade was to go ahead on the highest point of this channel that we wanted to look for a sell trade. Next to that is that we also had that previous high sitting right over there, which we had, if I zoom it in just a little bit, that we had right here, we had that order block formation sitting. So for all the smart money concept traders, I am not a smart money concept trader, but I do use order blocks to trade with. So if it's in confluence with all the rest. But anyway, that was the second confirmation that we had to go short on this trade. The second thing then is, and that's the most important one, is just overall the structure. So we keep making the lower lows, the lower highs. We are in the channel, we were at the high point of the channel, we were at the previous high as well. And then next to that is that we had the supply and demand zone sitting right over there. So we could see that right here, price was respecting this, broke, retested, so also respected this. Here 2 times as well, here another time, and here, and then here, and then here. So obviously at all these points is where that price is aligning with everything together at that one point. So that's when we have that high probability, a high chance that price is going to respect it and go to the downside. So that's what we literally did right here. We are aiming for that for this point again to be respected. We have order block, we have the highest point of the channel, we have the previous high, we have the structure, and we have the supply and demand zone. So that's 6 confirmations already in one trade. Why that we actually go and take Eurojpy. Very good entry right here, stops a little bit above the high point. You don't want to put it too close to it like this, because sometimes it happens that it just wicks you out and then falls down. So we had it a little bit higher than that. And then how will I manage this trade? Well, in managing this trade, we are currently floating in profit, but we gotta be aware that price overall is breaking this, but there is still some level of support and resistance, supply and demand sitting right here. So 2 things that I want to pay attention to with managing this trade. Now, keep in mind we already hit the first 2 targets on Eurojpy. We don't want to go to the 1 minute, but the 1 hour chart. All right. So 2 things that we want to keep in mind. Let me zoom it in a little bit. All right. Is that first of all, and this is a good thing, this is in favor of our position, is that it broke this ascending trend line already the whole time. It flew down, and I do see price coming back up somewhere here to actually retest this. So this is really possible that it's going to happen. So keep that in mind. That's what I wanted to delete. So keep in mind that an impulse down, normally it needs to come back up and give us that retracement where that I think potentially other traders will go short now as well, because now I broke that structure. So we can go here for a retest and then continue back to the downside here. So this is a very good solid entry and a good confirmation that we created this lower low, lower high, and then that push again to the low. And then right here at this point, we got to see what price is going to do, right? It is potential that this here, the price touches and bounces back to the upside. So I will probably say to secure take profit number 3 right here somewhere in this area, or a little bit low actually around this area. So this might still be good for 220 pips instead of the full target, but right now this is what I'm going to do. Then what are we going to do with our stop loss, which is very important? I will keep my stop loss right here at the moment, but once that price is respecting this, going down and breaking this low, going for a new low is when I put my stop loss to break even, because then the structure broke. So we had that low, lower high, lower low, stop loss here. If it then does that, then my stop loss goes here. If it does that, my stop loss goes here. And that's how I trail my stop loss with the new structure that price is making in the market. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, that this helps you out or teaches you something about why I took the trade, how I manage my trade as well. If you guys like it, give me that fire emoji here in the group and get some interaction going, positive vibes as well. I am sharing this on YouTube, so also like, comment, share, subscribe. It's a brand new channel, so I would really love it when you guys can do it. I'm also on Twitter. Since today I did my first tweet. I'm gonna share it in the comment section below as well. And for more information, just reach out to me on WhatsApp or go to my website loktrading.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.